दिस इज राहुल फ्रॉम गोल्डन फ्यूचर। आज मैं जिस वीज़ा की बात करने जा रहा हूँ वो शायद इंडिया का पहला वीज़ा होगा। आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना, તમે બહુ જ સાચું સાંભળ્યું કે ઇન્ડિયામાં પહેલો વીઝા એટલા માટે હું કહું છું કે મેં પોતે એવો વીઝા ઓનલાઈન નથી જોયો, અને જે વીઝાની વાત કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છે તમે પોતે સર્ચ કરી શકો છો કે તમને કંઈ નહીં મળે। પ્લસ આજે મારી જોડે હેમલભાઈ છે, એમનો જ વીઝા આવ્યો છે અને એમની સ્ટોરી આગળ હું બી કહીશ, એ પોતે બી કહેશે। એ જ્યારે મારી પાસે આ કેટેગરી ઓફ વીઝા લઈને આવ્યા હતા ત્યારે મને પોતે નહોતું આઈડિયા કે અમે શું કરશું, પણ ધીરે ધીરે બધું સેટ થતું ગયું। એમને પોતે બી ઘણા બધા ડોક્યુમેન્ટ્સ ભેગા કરી રાખ્યા હતા અને અલ્ટિમેટલી વીઝા આવી ગયો। નાઉ ધ વીઝા આઈ એમ ટોકિંગ અબાઉટ ઇઝ ઇન્ડિયાઝ ફર્સ્ટ વીઝા, a dependent visa for UK. I know dependent visa for UK is very common. People keep on going to UK with their spouses who are studying over there, working over there. But the main thing in that is they are married. अभी तक वही लोग जो मैरिड है वो ही डिपेंडेंट वीज़ा में जा चुके हो। आपके भी आजू बाजू कोई गया होगा यूके डिपेंडेंट वीज़ा पे तो वो मैरिड होगा। अब सोचो कि आपका बॉयफ्रेंड या गर्लफ्रेंड यूके में है, दे आर वर्किंग और स्टडिंग ओवर देयर, एंड क्या आप उनके डिपेंडेंट पे जा सकते हो? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट। अब सोचो आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड या बॉयफ्रेंड यूके में एंड यू नो यू बीइंग द डिपेंडेंट कैन गो ओवर देयर, आपको लगेगा दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल, हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल? ऐसा होता तो पूरा इंडिया वहाँ पे चला गया होगा। ऑनलाइन आजकल गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड बनाना बहुत ईजी हो गया है, बट हमने वो कर दिखाया। So we have got India's first visa, dependent visa for an unmarried partner. UK government बहुत अच्छी है, they consider this कि dependent एक unmarried partner भी हो सकता है, but you have to prove them कि unmarried partner कैसे है। आपको ये जो वीज़ा स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, it is a dependent visa for an unmarried partner। हेमल भाई मेरे साथ है, इनकी गर्लफ्रेंड जो they are into a relationship since previous 3 years वहाँ पे है। She is doing wonderful over there. She is working for a very good company at a very good position. वो वहाँ पे सेटल्ड है, शी इज़ वर्किंग ओवर देयर राइट नाउ। एंड हेमल भाई जैसे उनके बॉयफ्रेंड है जो इंडिया अहमदाबाद में है, ये वहाँ पे जाना चाहते थे। हाँ, ये वहाँ पे जाना चाहते थे। सो ये इन्होंने हमको अप्रोच किया कि हाउ कैन आई गो, माय गर्लफ्रेंड इज ओवर देयर, आई वांट टू गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म वीज़ा। शॉर्ट टर्म तो ऑलरेडी जाके आए, ये विजिटर वीज़ा इन्होंने खुद ही अप्लाई किया था 6 months। ही वॉज इन यूके, वहाँ पे काफ़ी उन्होंने ट्रैवल भी किया, गाड़ी भी ली है, इंश्योरेंस भी है, घर भी वहाँ पे सेट कर दिया। फिर he wanted to go for a long term visa. He came to us, we decided कि क्या-क्या documents
basically when I basically when I knew that UK government is giving unmarried partner visa, when I went around and asked various the consultants, they were not aware about this and they were giving me different solutions about getting married and all that stuff. But yeah, relationship is relationship, and UK government understand that unmarried partner is also a partner. That doesn't mean that you have to get married to be a partner.
Very true.
Right. So they have this category, and we got a positive result. And Rahul Bhai was aware about this particular category what the UK government has opened for the people who are unmarried and who are partner and staying together. So yeah, and we got the positive result in like 15 days. Yeah.
15 days। और इन्होंने बहुत सही बात की कि अब पार्टनर मतलब मैरिज करना ज़रूरी नहीं है।
We are living in 2023,
हाँ,
right?
We are living in 2023. So UK government, बाकी सब गवर्नमेंट्स नहीं करती है काफ़ी कंट्री की, बट UK government has got this option to call your unmarried partner, basically your girlfriend or boyfriend or your partner की बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं, you can call them। एंड इन्होंने जैसे कहा कि went to many places, लोग नहीं समझे,
they were giving me different kind of solutions.
गुजरात में तो नहीं समझे, गुजरात में कोई समझ से नहीं।
Yeah, big consultancy I'm talking, I don't want to take a name,
of course,
but big consultancy, they were not aware about this particular category, and they were shocked when I asked them that there is a category, and they were giving me different solutions. They tried to shake my confidence as well, that whether there is a category or not. So through net I searched you and immigration.
How was first experience the Minister officer when you talked about unmarried partner?
I decided that point of time that you are aware and you have this knowledge about this category, and I'm gonna go ahead with you. It was an instant decision at the office itself. And yeah, we started like in
exactly
2-3 days.
2-3 days we started. Same day he told me that okay, I'm just collecting documents and we'll get it going. So those all of you are viewing this, any type of visa for European countries is possible if you've got the right documentation. इनके केस में देयर में डू मेनी पीपल इन इंडिया जिनके गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड यूके में होंगे, उन्हें भी डिपेंडेंट पे जाना होगा, पॉसिबल नहीं होगा। सो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। और दूसरा एक चीज़ जो इन्होंने अच्छी बात की, इनके खुद के डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो ऑलरेडी रेडी थे उसमें इन्होंने और इनकी गर्लफ्रेंड और इनका आधार पे सेम एड्रेस था।
Yeah, because they want that we should be living together. We are living together. We are traveling together since a long time.
Since 3 years they have traveled to various places. मतलब हमने जो documents upload किए, everything they have covered. They have done so many trips. हमने 7-8 पेज तो photos trips के डाले हैं। Plus they were living in UK together. वहाँ पे उनकी गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस है वो भी इनके नाम पे था, साथ में था।
We had a good, if you have right documentation, you can go anywhere. I mean, there is nothing can stop you.
Exactly, and plus the best part was their families were also aware. We
Yes,
got an
yes, yes.
affidavit from इनके जो गर्लफ्रेंड है उनके पेरेंट्स और इनके पेरेंट्स से कि they are aware
About the relationship.
हाँ, about the
They do
relationship
not have
and
any issues.
they don't have any issues, no objection. So ये सब चीज़ों ने इतना आसानी से रोल प्ले किया कि 15 दिन में इनका वीजा आ
We
गया.
also give the documents for the weddings and the
True.
functions, family functions, so
So
that
they've attended each other's
Yeah.
family function also. मतलब उनके घर पे हो या उनके घर पे हो.
so that gives us a surety that even society accept that, and even the family accept that.
True.
So yeah.
एंड जैसे और हमने मेन हमारा पर्पस ही वो था कि दिखाना पड़ता है कि हाउ आर यू डिपेंडेंट. अब ही इज वर्किंग रिमोटली, इनका जो बिजनेस है ही कैन डू इट फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज ट्रैवलिंग सिंस 3 years and she has a stable job over there and both of them love traveling. So हमने पूरा वो देखा कि he'll go over there and whenever they get time they'll travel around. और इनके
Absolutely. That's what we were doing last time,
Last
and now we can do without any restrictions.
without any restrictions. इनका जो PRP कार्ड है he'll get it for 5 years.
5 years.
2027 तक इनको मिलेगा.
Yeah.
And I know this is an exceptional story, so all of you in India जिनके गर्लफ्रेंड या बॉयफ्रेंड वहाँ पे है और सिर्फ वीजा के लिए शादी जल्दी करना चाहते हो. There are many cases हमने देखा हुआ है कि वीजा માટે
You
जल्दी
have
लगाई
to
करी
get
है.
married and doesn't require.
हाँ, that is not required. If you are in relationships in school या college, if you can prove your relationship कि काफी टाइम से रिलेशनशिप चल रहा है, then we can get you a visa for an unmarried partner also. It is possible in UK. It is only possible with Golden Future. And you know कि हम लोग videos वही केसेस की बनाते हैं where there is something to share, something interesting to share. So all of you जो end में भी डायरेक्ट पहुंच गए, गलती से काफी लोग आगे जाते हैं. This video is about getting a dependent visa for UK for an unmarried partner. So all of you in India जिनको जाना है और डॉक्यूमेंटेशन में कोई डाउट है मुझे भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आपको इनसे इनका रिव्यू पूछना है, इनका ईमेल आईडी भी शेयर कर दूंगा थोड़े बहुत डाउट्स हो तो यू कैन राइट एन ईमेल एंड ही विल गेट बैक टू यू कि ये ऐसे सॉल्व करो बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का रेडी था.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Most of the
because
documentation.
I also read all the documents what is required and everything. I did a little bit study of it, and you gave me right confidence. So yeah.
So thank you guys and thank you Himal bhai for this
Thank you
short
very
video and all of you those who are seeing this. डिपेंडेंट वीजा के लिए मैरिज करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. घर वालों के प्रेशर में कि जाना है तो मैरिज करना पड़ेगा, ये है वो है, करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Live life.
Partners are partners.
Partners are
whether they're
partners.
married or not married.
Exactly. Live life at your pace and all the best
And at your conditions.
at your conditions. Thank you.